Good morning, my friends, and welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. So I hope you all had a absolutely wonderful and beautiful Mother's Day for yourself, for your moms, whatever you guys did. I hope you had a beautiful and enjoyable Sunday. It is Monday and I'm on my lunch break. I'm working remotely today, so I thought I would bring you a Wantable box. Funny, Wantable keeps sending me, let me move that, but Wantable keeps sending me messages saying, come back, we missed you, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, I have a box here right now. I think they're confused. Anyway, if you are new around here, my name is Terry, and I do a lot of fashion videos. I do weekly vlogs. I do garden vlogs right now. I also have a beauty channel called Southern Yankee Beauty, so I hope you guys will check all of that out. You can find me on Instagram, my email, my TikTok, Facebook page group, which is free to join for our subscribers, will all be listed in the description box below. I hope you guys come back. So, all right, so let's take a look at the Wantable box. I don't think this is a theme. I think it's just monthly, but I don't remember. Actually, this item I'm wearing, this Southern sweatshirt, also might be a Wantable box. I can't remember. So anyway, it says, I think you got 5 days to try everything on. And you go to your account, you do a self-checkout, you keep anything you want to keep and pay for it. Anything else you don't want to keep, they give you a mailer to mail everything back in. It's free. Shipping is free both ways, so you're not paying. Ooh, this is a big box. A lot of stuff in here. So here we go. All right, I think they're giving more items recently, so let's take a look. Although, you know what? Unless it's, oh yeah, okay. Here is the mailer. So they do give you your mailer, and your mailer, is it regular? It's USPS, so United States Postal Service. So you could just take it to your regular post office. If it fits, you can put it in your mailbox. All right, let's see how many items we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items in here. My stylist is Elizabeth, and all right, so she goes and she gives me a little note and things like that. So let's see what we have in here. It's a little bit pricey, but there's 7 items in here. And not everything's pricey. So let's take a look and see what we have, and then I'll tell you the prices as we go along, just to save time, and then we'll do a full try on of everything. Okay, hold on, stuff is falling. There's a lot in here, hold on. Okay, the first thing, oh, very pretty. This is a maxi dress by Wantable. I do like that the straps would cover a bra, and I also like that it's a V-neck. These types usually look good on me. I had maxi on. It had sleeves on it from, I think it was from Stitch Fix yesterday for Mother's Day. I'll put a picture up here. And I got a lot of compliments on it. And this is gorgeous. I like the navy blue. I like the pop of like coral and blue flowers on this. And this is a small, and it's a navy and red. It's called the Floral V-Strap Maxi Dress by Wantable. And let me tell you how much this one is. $72, so, you know, it's about the same. I think it was $78 for the one I got from Stitch Fix, so really pretty. I think I'd wear that. I think I'd get quite a bit of use out of that. Next up, this was funny. I just thought this was cute. This is a tee for $52 by Recycled Karma in a small, and it says, leave me alone. Sometimes I need that for my little baseball team. I'm just kidding. I love those kids. So anyway, that's cute. All right, so then I have a shirt by 78 and Sunny. This is the SoCal short sleeve top in black and a small. This is also $52. And this is by the brand C's. And it's just a plain little V-neck, black tee, very simple. It does have a pleat kind of going down the middle. Looks like it might be a little bit more of a boxy fit. We'll kind of see. All right. Next up, what is this? Blazer? I think so. Shirred sleeve blazer in black. This is by Skies Are Blue. I'm probably gonna like this. This is really feels nice too, the material on this. This would be a great little piece for work, and because these are sheared, you can kind of squinch them up real easy if you get hot. This one is $98, so this is definitely more pricey. This is definitely more of an investment piece for work. It's got a beautiful lining of beautiful floral lining, so I wonder, like, when you wear it, if that will kind of pop through. Might be really cute. on. So we'll try it. All right, what's this? This is heavy, whatever this is. This, I think, is the hooded cardigan. Yeah, this is interesting. So this is from 78 and Sunny as well. Laguna hood and cardigan. This is $69. So it's got ties where the hood is. It's cream. Definitely more of a relaxed, you know, cardigan for daily, you know, just to take in somewhere if you get cold. It's like, it's not really heavy on the sleeves. It's just like, it's a thick material on the hood. And it almost looks like a sweatshirt, but it was made into a cardigan, if that makes sense. I don't know. I'll have to try that on and show you guys so you can get a better sense of that one. That one, did I tell you the price? That's $69. And then I also have, looks like a pair of shorts. These look short. These are a size 27. They're a Marley mid-rise by Vigos. I like them quite a bit. So these are $58. These are cute. They got a little rip, a little distress. They're cuffed, but it's like a ripped cuff. They're really cute. They're really short, but they're cute. I would wear those. And then last but not least, I got a pair of jeans. These are a cigarette crop, mica denim, it says. I don't know this brand. So these are also in a size 27. These are $89. Apparently I requested these last September. No remembrance of it, because you can request items in their shop. Cute, lighter wash. They come down, they're short, they're gonna be a crop. Well, we'll see if they're a crop on me. And they've got sort of like the scarecrow fringe on the bottom, nice flat pockets, and a faded out kind of bum. Really cute, really cute. A little bit of distressing, kind of like through here, but not much. We'll see how they play out and how they fit. So, all right, friends. So I am going to, if I have time, because I am on my lunch break, I will get some of this tried on and let you see how everything looks. And yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, my friends, I am doing my best to get this done. It's dreary and raining, but it's going to be this way all week. So the lighting is not the best. I do have a little bit of another light back here. I don't know how much it's helping. Anyway, I have on the Marley mid-rise cuff shorts in a dark wash in a size 27. I really like these. These are $58, how much they are. And then I have the Leave Me Alone Burnout tee, which is $52. I like them both. It's a really soft tee, very comfortable. And the shorts are short. They're cuffed. I don't know if you can, you could. Okay, so I'm gonna show you that. So you could cuff them down one if you want them a little longer. So I kind of like that too, but I would say like there's a natural crease here. You'd have to iron it to do that, but I like them. I feel like they fit me well. Maybe a little bit of extra room back here. You can kind of see. Probably could have went down to, what's the next size after 27? I don't know. What is a size 27 even? 6 maybe? I probably could have used a 4, I'm guessing. But these are comfortable. Like sometimes I don't mind it, as long as like when I bend over, if like this doesn't give me like a huge gap, and I don't think that it does, like maybe a little one, but it's not bad. So like I could do these. I might keep these. I really, really like them. I don't have a lot of shorts, and I like them. I don't know what they look like in the back to look back at the video, but I like them. They're $58. So yeah. So these are both like kind of a maybe. I probably won't keep the shirt, although I really like the shirt. It's like really, it's like a nice cozy shirt. It's like, I like it says leave me alone. Like, yeah, leave me alone. Anyway, all right, so let's go ahead and keep moving on. Also, if you're new to my videos, at the end, I do run more like up close photos of all of the clothing, and that will be set to music. So if you want to see a little bit better, the photos will be at the end of all of the stuff as I'm wearing it. So I will see you guys at the end as well, but let's go ahead and try our next outfit. Okay, friends, I have this cardigan on with the hood. So this is an extremely soft cardigan, very cozy, like you want to keep it on and just cuddle. It's a really great one for that. I like the cream color to it. I kind of wish it didn't have the hood. I don't need the hood. So there's our hood. guess good if it's raining, but other than that, I probably wouldn't use the hood. So it's just an extra piece of fabric that you're ending up paying for. But outside of the hood, it's so soft and cozy and warm and just really beautiful. I do like it. I like the sleekness of how straight it comes down. I like that it sort of hits the top of your thighs, the length of it, so you can see in the back. Very nice. Let me grab, I forgot where I put the paper that tells us how much this was. Hold on. Okay, this one is $69, and it's by that Seas brand. It's called the Laguna Hooded Cardigan. It is a little bit long, but nothing bad. I mean, honestly, this is good. You could probably size down one size down from your normal size because it's pretty big and stretchy. Like I could have done a extra small in this, but I don't think it matters because it really just lays really, really nice. So, and then of course you've got these guys for the hood portion if you were interested. So anyway, that is this, that is what the, well, let's back up. This is what the whole outfit looks like together. If you're going to do it a little bit more casually, I didn't put my heels on yet. We're going to do that. We're going to switch to the black blazer with some heels coming up. Okay, this black blazer is wonderful, but I have a couple other skies or blue blazers. I really, really like them. It's $98. I think that's fairly close. I'm going to look at the ones I got from Stitch Fix. They may be $20 cheaper on Stitch Fix, so I'm going to take a look before making any decisions with this one. But this is the sheared blazer. It's got the really nice sort of like ruching here, so if you want, it just like gives you a really good quick like squinchy look when you want to push it up. Same tee. I added the Michael Kors belt. That is my own. I just kind of stuck the tags here so I want you to be able to see. So I added a Michael Kors belt, and then I have my Michael Kors kitten heels on too, and I think that this really elevates the look quite a bit. Actually, I like this look. I like a blazer and jeans look. So when you want something just slightly elevated, but you don't want, you know, to be all out, like this is something I could wear for work and then also wear like this for, you know, dinner or something a little bit more casual or just like kind of a cool vibe. I do really like this as well. So this is going to be a hard box because I do like what we have in here. I have one more dress to try on, which I think I'm also going to like, and I have a Stitch Fix box which has some fabulous clothing pieces in it too that you're going to see. So I'm probably not going to make a decision during this video and editing. If I have, by the time I edit this, made decisions on what I'm keeping or sending back, I'll let you know. But I still have to try on all my stuff from Stitch Fix and film that video too. So we shall see. But let's go ahead and try on the dress next. But this is great. I like this. I like where it fits. I don't believe it has a button. No button. It has a pretty, it's just open. So when you move and stuff, you've got this pretty, beautiful, pretty liner. It's a fun surprise. So anyway, this is something I really like and I'm very strongly considering. So hang tight. Let's try the dress on. This is another great piece. This is by Leva Pella. And it does have a little bit of like pleating, like right, like just some like darting, like pleats right in here. And I love it. I love that you have good bra strap coverage on this one without really trying. Frames the girls in good. And it's a nice long maxi dress. This one, let me see if I can't really stand up here with so much hair, but this one is, it's not too long, but it is $72. Let me see if I can pull this down just a little so you can see the length of it. You can see the tops of my feet. It's a little long. This might be a petite. I can't remember. I gotta look. But it's a great item and it's $72. It fits well. It's very pretty, very feminine. I always think women look beautiful in these style maxi dresses, not the ones that are really big. I mean, those are pretty too, but I don't know. I just always thought that these are very feminine and very spring forward. I like them. And I like the I like florals. I typically do like smaller florals more so than these large florals, but this one's not too bad because it's not It's an overall pretty nice pattern on it. It's not super awful. And then you have your, it's kind of, you know, they didn't go too much crazy with that pattern in the middle. So yeah, so I do like this. I don't know what it looks like from behind, but there's that. All right, friends, that is my Wantable box. I actually think this is a really great box. I think they did a great job. A lot of beautiful items in here, and they all fit really well, which is always nice. I feel like my body's changing. You know, the shape's changing. It's actually, Robert really likes it. I don't. You know, we've been talking about that a lot. Anyway, I don't know. I don't know. You know, I think it's just that time of my life. You know, where it's going to be changing a little bit, and I've got to. If I want to keep my figure, I'm going to have to work a little bit harder than normal. So, anyhow, I hope you guys really enjoyed this. I will leave my Wantable link down below. I know you get a discount with Wantable if you keep 5, you get like, I think it's 20%. Yeah, 20% if you keep 5. And I never can remember what you get if you use my link, but you do get something, whether it's a free styling fee or money off of your box or whatever. You do get something if you use my link. So if you haven't done Wantable before, it's certainly beneficial to use someone's link versus just going in on your own, because you won't get that. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Everything will be down below if you are interested. And I'm very curious to see what you guys liked the best, what you thought was the best items in this box. So definitely comment down below and stay tuned. You'll see all the photos here at the end, and I will see you guys shortly. Take care, guys. Bye.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see now, see now. Beautiful people.